Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the widget editor and identifying the target area. This lets you see which sizes and slots are free. Once done, check widget sizes 1x1, 2x2, 4x1 because mismatched sizes force repositioning later. Make sure to snapshot your current layout or take a quick screenshot so you can revert if needed. From here, you're ready to add or replace a widget without guessing, and you'll save time avoiding repeated adjustments. You now add or replace widgets by tapping the plus button or long pressing an existing one. This opens the widget library so you can choose what to place. Once selected, pick the correct size and drag the widget into the target slot. The system will snap it to the grid. If space is tight, hold and reposition while watching other icons shift. That's how you achieve an aligned layout. When it looks right, release and the widget will attach and populate. You finish by tuning widget settings. Tap the widget or open settings to customize content, refresh intervals, or permissions. Once adjusted, resize by long pressing and dragging handles to fit the grid, then take a final snapshot so you have a restore point. If a widget appears blank or fails to load, try a quick reboot, or remove and re-add the widget to force a refresh. If that doesn't help, check app permissions and data access to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.